going on, guys? It's Jack here. Today we're going to be going around the shop and asking everyone what their favorite part is. Black Friday is coming up, as you know, on Friday the 26th, so make sure you set your calendars and get your build ready for the winter. Order your angle kits. What's up, guys? We're here with Rain.
Please don't do this to me.
Rain, Black Friday is coming up. What is your favorite thing to weld, and what do you hope that people buy the most of?
Corvette stuff. Buy Corvette stuff. Lowers, mini kits, mount kits, uppers, rear uppers.
So you're saying that's your favorite thing to weld?
Hydro mounts, Corvette, everything.
Thank you.
We've also got like 15 sets of SN95 knuckles ready to go. So cop a couple of those too.
Cam, as you know, Black Friday sale is coming up on what date?
27?
The 26th.
It's not the 26th.
Yeah, Friday is the 26th. The 27th is a Saturday. You know Black Friday is coming up, the sale. What is your favorite thing? What is your favorite thing to weld, and what do you hope people buy?
I like welding everything, and people should buy absolutely everything. Yep.
So you think everyone should buy everything?
Yeah, I would just buy one of everything on the store.
Yeah. You're here to hear first.
Yeah. Get them before the getting's gone.
Dylan, as you know, Black Friday is coming up on Friday the...
What's the date today?
Hey Dylan, so you know, Black Friday is on Friday the...
26th?
Let's go, see? Okay, what is your favorite thing that you have CNC machined so far?
That's a great question, Jack.
Thank you.
You know what? I think that probably the shock mounts are the favorite part so far. Do I have? I do actually. Keep one on the shelf, just for instances like this.
You gotta hold it out in front of me. Yeah. Here we are with Ethan, our shipping and customer service employee. What is your favorite kit to assemble?
Probably 350Z regular Mantis.
Why is that?
It's the quickest to wrap and pack, and we sell the most of them, so it's like you know it off by heart.
What's your like favorite kit, not assembly wise, just like the coolest looking kit in your opinion?
Obviously BMW, I had it on both mine.
Good answer. Okay, so here we are with Bossman, and we're gonna ask him a little bit about Black Friday. Is there any little secrets you can give us about the upcoming Black Friday sale?
It'll be cheaper to buy on Black Friday than it would be to not buy on Black Friday.
Perfect, perfect. Is there any releasing kits that you can give some hints on?
They're all rear-wheel drive cars, and lots of people drive them.
Fair, fair. And what has been your all-time favorite kit that you have designed and developed?
Well, that's a good question. I'm gonna go with the Billet S chassis kit. It's lightweight. It's about 14 pounds lighter than our steel counterpart, and it works fantastic.
Anything else you want to add?
Buy Corvette rear uppers.